Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable dark mode on the Tumblr Android app. You can do that by following these steps. Step 1. Open the Tumblr app and tap on the silhouette icon in the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. The silhouette icon looks like a person's icon. Next, tap the cog icon at the top, that is the gear icon at the top, to access your account settings. Next, select General Settings. Then, choose Color Palette. Next, select Dark Mode from the available options. The app's color scheme will instantly change to dark mode, providing a more visually comfortable experience, especially in low light conditions. If you like to return to the default light mode, simply repeat the steps and select True Blue instead of dark mode. That's it. See you in the next video. Bye for now.